the time.
Yes.
Period. February is National Pet Dental Month, and Bob is at Carlisle Dog Park in Alexandria now, gathering some pointers on how to keep our pets' breath fresh.
Show them what they want, Bob.
Bob, do you have right? Show them what they want. Do you have a dog or a cat or a ferret or an iguana or anything?
We do. We have a Cocker Spaniel, Casper. He's 3 years old. I let him lick me. I'm about to find out if that's a smart thing or not. If you're not up on your dog's dental health, these greyhounds are here hanging out, and if the vet can't come to you, or if you can't go to the vet, they'll come to you. We've come to the Nova Mobile Vet, and in here is Dr. Eric Cryan and his yellow lab, Bliss. Good morning, Doctor. Thanks for being here.
My pleasure.
First of all, they were just kidding me about, do I have a dog? Yes, I have a dog. I love my dog licking me. If you're not as up on your dog's dental health as you should be, is that an okay thing, first of all?
Dogs' mouths do contain bacteria. It's generally considered less than people, but you want to clean their teeth and have proper hygiene. And so, that consists of both home dental care and professional cleaning by a veterinarian like myself or another one.
Is that really important? As we look at Bliss here, he looks handsome, she looks handsome, beautiful, but what is it? Why do you have to brush their teeth?
Well, just like with people, there's a direct correlation to dental disease in dogs and people with other diseases in the body. You're more prone to infections in the bladder, kidneys, and heart if you have bad teeth.
Okay, and so if you what is it, like dental month? So once a year, maybe? Every February? Would that be okay, or how often should you?
Correct. It varies from dog to dog, but for National Pet Dental Month, we're trying to, promote the importance of dental care. And so what you want to do is evaluate with your veterinarian on what your dog needs. But, there's home care and professional care, just like, yourself. In an ideal world, you'd want to brush your teeth every day. But, not everyone's going to be able to do that, myself included, but you try to do it a couple times a week. And that can...
You're talking about your dogs?
Yeah,
okay.
Your dog's teeth,
Not your own. Okay.
Okay. Hopefully you're doing your own more than that.
How many times a week, really?
That's going to make a difference. If you only do it once every couple months or so, it's really not worth your trouble. They're going to say, if you brush your teeth at least once or twice a week, that's going to help the plaque build up and make a significant distance, and hopefully minimize the professional cleans you have to have a veterinarian.
Can you show us how you would do it? Like
Absolutely. There's various tools to do it. You can have your regular toothbrush like this. Generally it's two sides for the small guys and the big guys. And what you would do is you want to start them out, really easy. Just getting them used to it. If they're not used to it, just kind of gently do it. Once you build them up to being able to do it, you can do a little bit more aggressive and brush their teeth. But,
no toothpaste needed?
There is toothpaste, but, you want to start off with them something they were like. So some people will dip it in kind of gravy or something like that, so they're licking it initially. They may do a little chewing on a toothbrush, but you want it in a positive force.
Like to defeat the purpose. Brush your teeth with gravy.
True. We're just starting off. There is toothpaste, but, they may not get used to it even when it's flavored. So you want it a positive experience. Start when they're young. Try to brush their teeth a couple times a week. And then, periodically, in most dogs' life, we're going to recommend a professional cleaning a couple times.
And how much, okay, so if you don't want to do it at home, you don't want to do it every week, every month, a couple times a year or once a year, how much is that going to cost you if you go to a vet or if someone like you comes to them?
Excellent question. It's going to vary. The big variability is extractions. And some dogs are only going to need a dental cleaning, once or twice in their life. Other breeds of dogs, like Yorkie, that are just known for having bad teeth, they may need it, once every year or two, or more aggressively than that.
How much is that?
It may run from $400 to $500. Yeah, the big cost is the anesthesia, and so what we're going to do, they're not going to hold still. You see the plaque, but what you worry about is the infection above the gum line. So why they need to be under anesthesia so you can clean above the gum line. And so people will see the tartar, and that makes visually a difference. But what we worry about from a medical profession is, the periodontal disease, the most common disease in animals. Pets that we worry about, and that's above the gum line. So they need to unfortunately be under anesthesia, and that's where the big cost associated with it.
All right, well, Casper's going to lick me with an infected mouth because I'm not spending $400 to have my dogs. That's not, you're right, $400, but, their health is fine. We'll maybe do it at home every now and then, but, wow. Okay, it is that month, and, whatever you guys want to do, you decide.
You, sir, are not the right reporter for this assignment. It's the anesthesia. That's how much. They have to